Hello everyone, welcome to day 23 of our CapCut editing series. I am super excited again today to be here. And in today's series, oh my god, I saw this editing on TikTok. So I downloaded the video. I said, let me come and show us how to do it as well. It's something that we have done, but maybe if you see it, you might not know that is the way to do it. That's why I want to come and show us how to do this editing. Without wasting much of our time, let's jump right into my phone. One important point to take note is that I also create video based on the request of my viewers or subscribers. So if you want me to create a video on any topics that are related to my niche, put it in the comment section what you want me to create, and then I will definitely make video for you. So right now we are in my phone, and then firstly I'm going to play that video for us. So let's go into my phone. So as you can see, that effect, that is what I'm going to show us. I'm playing it again. So this is super, it is super easy to do. So what we are going to do, I've recorded my own also. So we'll go into our CapCut as usual. Then I will go into what I created as well. So this is what I created to use. So CapCut editing tutorial. And in this video, what you can see, it is very long. And then how do I record this? So I recorded it, then I'm going to trim it. I've taught us how to trim. Just trim it if you know that it is too long. And then as you can see, and this is the finishing of it. You trim it to where you got the paper. You are just doing your hand. So what I do is I have this printed, and then I set my camera. Let me show you the process first. So I'll go to my camera. I use my phone camera. Then when I got to my camera, I put it in video. Instead of me to record in 1x, I recorded it in 0.5 because I can be able to take that long angle. So that was how I recorded it. So after I recorded it, then that is what I'm now importing into my CapCut now. So that is what I recorded. That was how I was able to get that long angle. In case you are looking for how to get that long angle, that was the way I got it. So I printed it out. Then I decided to, so I just show it to my camera first, as you can see the way I'm showing it. Then after that, I squeeze. You can see the way I'm squeezing the paper. Okay, then I throw it. Then I will now do my hand like this, that I'm telling my hand to come, as if I'm telling it to come back by itself. So that is how you just record that short video. So how do we now take it back? If you know the answer before I do it, let me know in the comment section. Just write the answer immediately. Okay, so what I taught us, I don't remember the day. I taught us how to reverse. That is what they do in this video. So I am going back now. As I tap on video, okay, you can decide to make it more clearer. So by making it more clearer, I'm going to my adjust, okay, to make it more clearer, to brighten it. Okay, so you can see I want to brighten that place so that we can see it can have more color. Okay, so contrast, so yeah, it can be more beautiful. Okay, I want to make it more clearer. I think it's better like this. Okay, so what we are going to do, go back and then you're going to look for reverse. That's what they did. So they reverse the video back. See, I've taught us how to do reverse. So it's the same thing. So we allow the video to reverse, and that's reversed already. And then that means it's bringing the one at the back to the front. That is what they just do in this video. So if I play it now, you will see it. So where I am squeezing, I can cut it a little bit as well, so that the squeezing will not be too much. Where I'm bringing in another hand, I can decide to cut it out again. So let's delete this middle one. Let's see. And voila, that is how they do that video. So you can see it is not something that is too difficult to do at all. It is so easy, like ABC. So that is it. What I said I should come and show us today, day 23, how to do this effect. So from now, I'll be bringing any effect that I see on the internet. I will not be using it now because I believe that we have done a lot of editing for beginner. If you begin to edit your video now, I believe that all the video that we have already, it can help you to edit your video without problem. Everything has been done clear and clean, so you do not have any issue on how to edit your video again. Everything is perfect. All I just need is just hit the subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. That is all I need, and I believe it is just absolutely free to do that. Okay, at least that's the only way you can crown the effort of your girl doing this on this channel for 23 days. You can see. So that's the only thing I required for most. Okay, so thank you so much. My name remains Ganny, and this is Grow With Ganny. I will see you in the 24.